happening in the box on this GPS. It's supposed to be for trucks, cars. That's what it comes with. Take this out. Here's your screen. Pull these out. Suction cup. The C charger. And the book that nobody reads. And that's it. Alright, so that's it. We already know what this is. We already know what this is. That's that. And then the manual. Alright, since I'm home, I'm gonna connect on my home charger to see what it's doing. I'm gonna have to change all that. It's charging. It's got all that information. I'm gonna have to play around with all this to see what we got. Alright, so let's see what's in the settings. Language, backlight. Just keep a little bit. System information. That's the information if you don't need it before you order. Factory reset. Alright, so that's it. Go back out. We're gonna do set date and time. Today's 19th. Is 12 hours. It's 4 o'clock, I think. Yep. And I'm on Eastern. Alright, so we don't know about the FM part. We'll figure that out when time comes, because that's not necessary. Let's go to Navi configuration. I don't know what it means, so we're gonna let it go. We're gonna go to GPS. Gonna show the map, I think, destination, route options, and more. So it's a route option. Create a role. There is no plan route tab. More. Okay, go back. It's under more. Music, convert clothing, fuel consumption, trip, calendar. I guess you just type in your odometer and tell you what you did. Maintenance schedule on it. Trip monitor. And you record your trip. That's the clothing. Why is it for? There you go. You can convert your units, temperature, speed. Whatever you want to convert it from Fahrenheit to Celsius, miles to kilometers, inches to whatever. Sunrise, sunset. Depending on where you at, it'll tell you. What you doing? Alright, then the little tool. Sounds a warning. Pretty straightforward, no volume. How high or low you want. Language, advanced settings. You want to use the full street name. Behavior in native language area. Behavior in foreign language area. Use full street name. Announce distance. Next maneuver. Okay. What about the minimum compact. Speed warning setting. Audio visual. That alert point setting. All alerts. Speed camera. These are all the alerts. Warning signals. Curve and corners. Lane passing. General warning. We'll see. Oh, there are some more. Traffic crossing. Truck specific. Because that's what I need. The lower the numbers, the faster the warning you'll get. Then I'm gonna use it tonight and see what happens. It's on custom quick menu, driving time management, historic traffic, ask waiting time, configure driving time, route settings, vehicle, car, pedestrian, bicycle, emergency, bus, taxi, and truck. We're gonna do the truck. On mode, route planning fast, highway, unpaved roads. We don't need ferries. What's in the more? Oh, we don't need that. What was I? I think we wanted offsetting only. Vehicle, click in here. You could change the name of the truck. We call it a snowflake. Type truck. Maximum speed. Well, I don't have a governor, so we're just gonna say 70. Length. We're just gonna say 9. It's 8 feet. My height is 13. But we're gonna say 13.2. Just to be on the safe side. Don't have a trailer. Got 2 axles. Maximum weight allowed. I don't know, it's 26,000 feet, but that's what I'm gonna put here. Well, excuse me, I said 26,000 feet. It's 26,000 pounds, so that's 13 ton. Freight. We don't do explosive. We don't do gas, non-flammable gas, poisonous. No. We don't do none of that, so we ain't gotta worry about any of these. More. Alright. Okay, sometime I'll take these off the highway part. User profile, driver 1. Just gonna say snowflake. Alright, so all this is pretty self-explanatory. You just go through it, whatever, you wanna pick your vehicle, type of vehicle you drive. You could set up to 4 or 5 different users. So like you got driver 1, 2, 3, 4. It's my snowflake, because that's what we call it. You can do your map setting, how you want your map to look, visual guidelines. You pick your region, street monitor. You can customize your quick menu. You can create a route from here, alternative fast, minimum option, music player, fuel consumption. So everything's pretty self-explanatory. You got everything in here that you need. So this is a pretty good GPS. I would suggest that you look into it. And it wasn't that expensive neither. It was like 60 some bucks. So it's not bad, and it's supposed to be for box truck or semi trailers, because you could configure it however you want. Say like go under vehicle, and you just, I named my vehicle Snowflake, and you just do all these. You set up your length of your truck, width of your truck, height of your truck, how many axles it has, weight it could carry, type of freight. Well, I mainly all hazardous material, which I don't carry, so I ain't gotta pick any. But yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Look into it. I'll have the link in the description. Alright, so this is what you got on here. I don't know if you can see it or not, but that's on one side. That's power on and off button on the one side, nothing on that side. Their connector, like to put on the thing, and nothing on the bottom.